After placing it on, it is divided into the leather case. Need to turn it. Distribute the material to bear force evenly, to avoid the phenomenon of insufficient material in some places. When aligning the position, align the stitching joint of the leather case with the stitching joint. The top and bottom on both left and right sides are the same. At the corner, when touched by hand, the material must not overlap, and no gaps either. If there are, it can be seen through the grey strip. Okay, this angle can also see. No overlap. This on the shoulder strap and the left and right sides. No epaulets at all. No gaps. No need to trim edges. After the position is fixed, we prepare to tuck the edge in the second step. Before tucking, apply some double-sided tape on the inside of the thinned edge. The function of the double-sided tape is to provide positioning. It fits better after installation. More accurate sizing. No bubbling, no wrinkles. No gaps on the back. We cover it fully with double-sided tape. Confirm the position just nailed before dismantling. Avoid shifting from the set position. Make it smooth when connecting the double-sided tape. When stuffing, turn the edge of this packing place inside out. Use the small scraper provided for delivery to slowly press it in. Turn the material inside out and slowly push it in. Push it in a little and press it with your finger. Avoid pulling the scraper out and pulling out the stuffed position again. The position below has been stuffed. No need to stuff the left and right sides. Just stick it fully with double-sided tape. The method on the left side is the same. Just follow the operation method on the right side. All positions have been fixed. Now we prepare to sew. The stitching is divided into 3 segments. 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts. From any convenient position of a segment, place the thread on the part that needs stitching. 3 to 4 times the length of the thread. Cut the thread. Single needle, single thread. Pass the thread through. Leave 10 to 20 cm. Hold it with your finger. The first stitch is inserted from the back side of the leather at the corner position. Press with your finger to avoid pulling the leather out when threading the needle. Tie a knot at the end of the thread on line. The purpose of the knot is to prevent it from coming loose when tightening the thread. The second stitch passes through the front side of the leather. The third needle goes through from the front side of the leather. Through. Then close to the reserved position along the edge line. Slowly, stitch through regularly. When sewing, go slowly, not too fast. Too fast will easily cause knots in the thread. The thread is under the stitch. So like this, the thread tightens by itself. It will not loosen or fall off. The stitching is also relatively even. When reaching the joint position, adjust it in advance. This position cannot be misaligned. If misaligned and sewn together, wrinkles may appear here. This phenomenon is not smooth. When the angle is not suitable, you can start the vehicle by ignition. Turn the steering wheel to the appropriate position. When you reach the end and there is no place for seam, that is the needle withdrawal. Needle withdrawal is the reverse operation step of needle starting. Pass through the first stitch from the front of the leather. The second stitch passes through the front of the leather for the second stitch. The third stitch passes through the front of the leather. Pass back and forth 2 to 3 stitches. Then cut the thread.